Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in TickTick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your TickTick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with all your task management features ready to use. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. Here, you'll find all your existing lists organized for easy access. Click on the specific list where you want to add your recurring task. This helps keep your tasks organized by category or project, making them easier to manage later. At this point, you have two options depending on your needs. If you're creating a brand new task, look for the Add Task button in the upper left corner and click on it. However, if you'd prefer to convert an existing task into a recurring one, simply click on that task instead. This flexibility allows you to work with tasks you've already created without having to start from scratch. Once you've selected your option, you'll see a text field appear where you can enter your task details. Type in the description of what you need to accomplish, then press Enter to confirm. This creates the task and allows you to move on to configuring its recurring settings. Now here's where you'll set up the recurring schedule. Look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Date and Reminder button. This opens up a menu where you can configure when and how often your task should repeat, which is essential for managing regular responsibilities. In the calendar picker that appears, select the due date for when you want this task to first occur. This acts as the starting point for your recurring schedule and helps TickTick understand when to begin the repetition cycle. Just below the calendar, you'll notice a repeat button. Click on it to reveal your recurring options. Here you can select from several preset intervals including daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or even create a custom schedule if none of the standard options fit your needs. Choose the one that best matches how often you need this task to repeat. After selecting your repeat interval, you'll see another option below it that initially shows endlessly. Click on this option to reveal additional choices for how long you want the task to continue repeating. You can choose to have it repeat endlessly without any end date, set it to end on a specific date in the future, or configure it to end after a certain number of repeats. This gives you complete control over the life cycle of your recurring task. Once you've configured all your repeat settings exactly how you want them, click the OK button to save your changes. TickTick will now automatically generate instances of this task according to the schedule you've created. And that's it. You've successfully set up a recurring task in TickTick that will help you stay on top of regular responsibilities without having to manually create the same task over and over again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.